in a tough spot.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Drunkest Droog. I am on the final challenge of the gauntlet for the rushing attack in MUT 17 and thought I would show you guys how I beat it. I ended up completing the entire gauntlet, and it was worth about 20,000, 22,000 coins with a pretty base team. I've actually upgraded with that money, but I used the Dree Archer and basic everything. And the wide receivers I had just upgraded, but beforehand, since it was all running stuff, I didn't really worry about the receivers at all. What I had done is used Seattle Seahawks playbook to sub in tight ends in this formation, the I form H slot to the far right of the formation. You can use R1. I subbed in the two tight ends, and I would run the stretch play over and over. Sometimes I would flip it, and yeah, like I said, if I need to, I would use a screen pass to make sure I got the first down. And at the beginning of the video, you saw how good it was, but you can just kind of follow these blockers and go in and score your touchdown. Just be smart about what you're doing, like in this one, you know, chew clock and all that. Some of the challenges were to get 20 yards on the first rush, so you might have to start over and over, but for the most part this made it pretty simple, and it was a basic team. I spent a little bit of money to make sure I had enough tight ends, but it was all 60s, mid-60s offensive line, and I was able to complete the whole thing. So like, subscribe, and you can find me on Twitter at Drunkest Droog, and keep an eye on for some more videos.